Assalamualaikum and a very good day to my lecturer, Madam Sazila. My name is Abdul Shazimi Rosnaizi bin Rozlan. My matrix number is 07 DKM 20F2082 and I am from class DKM 1A. Today I want to present about a fitting workshop. Okay, for my presentation, I will start from introduction. The practical conducted this time, that is to emphasize, can give various impact to student. This practice is very suitable for student who will become an educator in the future through the work done, such as holding a drill, measuring, thinking to some extent can apply skill to student to be more skilled when they become an educator later. In this assertive work, we are given the task of producing a mortise with two parts called part A and part B. The type of material used for this rushing work is mill steel, which is mill steel. The objective of fitting workshop is provide knowledge and train student to use hand tools correctly. Number 2, make student proficient in attractive work. And number 3, given student a true picture of the work instance. And now I want to tell about equipment or material that we use in fitting workshop and the function. Number 1 is L square angle ruler. The function is to make a line at a right angle of 90 degrees and to test the accuracy of two surfaces. Number 2, steel ruler. Function to measure and move distance. Number 3, vernier caliper, a kind of accurate measurement and has an accuracy of up to 0.02 mm. Number 4 is vernier high gauge. These gauges are often used in conjunction with anchor block and surface plates made of ceramic or metal. Has an apparatus for measuring, marking and readings. Next one is dense drill. Is a type of shed drilling machine for the drilling process. Has a table for leaning the workpiece. The drill bit can be changed based on the size of the hole to be made. This one, a hacksaw, are used in engineering works to cut. Ball pin hammer. Function is the face and arm of the hammer are handled and will fertilize saw that is not easily chipped and expand when hammered. The arm of this hammer head is semicircle in shape and its surface is flat. And the last one is tap and die, made of stainless steel or tempered carbon iron, and there are usually 3. Next one, I want to present about a procedure. Number 1, cut the iron into smaller fragment according to the prescribed measurement. Number 2, the process of marking and measuring pieces of metal. Number 3 is cutting using hacksaw. Number 4, measurement using a vernier caliper. Number 5, the process of punching holes in a piece of metal. Number 6, cut out unnecessary part of the workpiece. The next one is the process of hammering on the part of the workpiece that has been marked using a hammer and chisel. The second last, grind on the part that needs to be thin, and the last one is make a groove at the center point of the workpiece. The next one is safety precaution. Number 1 is wear safety. Number 2, wear safety glasses when drilling. 3, turn the machine off before clearing it. Number 4, enter the workshop only with a lecturer permission. Number 5, a machine must be operated by one student at a fine. Number 6, always wear workshop cloth. And the last one, do not play with the tools because they are sharp. The discussion of the fitting workshop is number 1, cutting on the workpiece not straight. Solution, hold hacksaw on proper way. The hacksaw 45 degree from the workpiece when cutting. And discussion number 2, look of accuracy on measurement. So the solution is make sure the surface of workpiece are flat when marking using angle plate. And veneer high gauge non-flat surface will affect the measurement and also the shop. And the last one is conclusion. So the conclusion of this fitting workshop is we found from this project we can learn various techniques and new ways to do this hurried work. This is because this hurried work is work that requires caution in terms of material selection, measurement, and other method and technique use. To complete this task, in addition, this assertive work also required a high degree of scrutiny to produce perfect and quality work. Among the things we just learned in how to grind with the right technique as well as easy and fast and grind an object. In addition, we also learn how to choose the right key for the job. That's all for my presentation, and thank you.